Don't press the button. Well, actually, press the like button and the subscribe button. But besides that, man, besides that, don't press the button, okay? Just get it. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Not the like button and subscribe button. You can still press that, okay? Please press that. But besides that, yes, you cannot press these buttons. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Oh, whoa, where are we? Green light. Okay, is this Squid Game or something? Okay. Sorry. Let's go. Green light. Oh, I just don't move on yellow light. Come on. Yes, please. Yo, please. Doobity-doo-doo. Come on. Yes, the money. Let's go. We got the money for days, boy. Don't press the button, please. This is the button. Oh no, it's bubble wrap. We gotta turn the sound up. Yes. Okay, let's go. Dude, this is so fun. Oh, a bubble wrap. Man, it's so satisfying when you step on it, man. I'm just gonna try. Dude, this is such. Okay, sorry. It's just so nice. Okay, here's the button I'm talking about. Don't press it. Everyone's getting smaller. Oh no, why did I press it? I'm taller than you guys. Ha! But I'm tall. Ah! Yeah, I'm taller. Don't press the button. Oh no. Collect it before everybody else does. There's a diamond in this cave. Collect it before anybody else does. I'm just gonna go over here. Go. Nope. No, go. Come on, go. No, stop. Yes. Pull the lever. Yes. Pull the mystery lever. Good choice. Who knows what could have happened? No! Why would you guys press it? No, not this thing again. I could barely even fit through the cave. Go. It's over here. It's over here, man. It's over here, Dad. Okay, don't press the no. No. Please. No, please. No. No, craft. Wait, you can't craft? Bruh, you can't craft. Seriously, I need to craft it. Okay, it would be way harder if you actually had to craft it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. Don't press the button. Play, bruh. Go. Oh, no. Oh. No! We're in the spectating bubble. Oh, man, dude, seriously. I want to go out there and fight with the thing, and then go, yeah, and then go, yo, and then I'm gonna win. Okay, bruh. No. Okay, don't press the button. No, it's Baldi. No. Oh, no, it's Baldi. No, it's Baldi. Oh, no. Dude, imagine Baldi starts chasing me. Baldi, no! What have you done, Baldi? Hey, Baldhead! Hey, Mr. Baldhead! Mr. Baldhead! Hey, Mr. Baldhead, look at me. I'm hugging you, you short. Oh! No! That's not fair, man! Bruh! That's not fair. Okay, so I didn't even get to go on a POW. No, not this thing again. Okay, take cover, please. No! Stop it! Stop it, please. Sir, no! I'm the first one up here. Okay, this is not fair. Now, look at me. I'm supposed to be able to fly. I'm flying high. But the thing is, I cannot fly technically because I'm in the invisible bubble. But you just can't see it. Oh no, my camera's doing this little thing again. The thing where you can't see and you can't move your camera. You know, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, please. Please. Work. Oh, nope, it didn't work, but at least I could see a little bit better. Okay, just don't press the button. Don't press the button. Don't press. Get ready to push everybody off with your table. What? Yeah. Come here, please, down my table. Go, walk. Okay. Ha! Go. No. No. Please. Go. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Let's go, K-O, man. No, so close. Yes. No, I was so close. No. Watch out, boulders are coming. Oh, no. We'll just go between. Ha. Man, that was easy. We're the only survive. Tsunami incoming. That's weird. That doesn't usually happen. I'm scared. No. Oh no! Oh, come on, man. I don't know what to do. Seriously? My camera doesn't move. I'm just stuck, man. Okay, what is that? Get ready to fight with laser guns. Wait, how am I supposed to do that in this building? Okay, boom. Vaporite. Go! Yes! No! I was second to last. No! Come on, man. She's better. And why is there no other boys in this? It's just girls and then one boy, man. The button has disappeared. Press the button if you found it. Okay, so maybe it's not on the edge. Is it? No. Okay, that's the edge. So that's basically... Oh, she fell, man! Guys, why does it look like I'm flying? Hello, guys! 590006 has found it. Cool! Deliver the pizza that has your... The what? Builder Pizza Brothers. Okay, come on. What do I have? Deliver the pizza that has the same roof as your color. Please. Hurry. Yes. Touch it. Touch the button. Okay, touch. I am touching. Yes, one of the slides. These used to be so popular. Come on. Let's go slide down into the new, man. Let's see. Yeehaw. Okay. We just fall, and then we fall. Okay, seriously, what's the point of this? Wait, no. Okay, seriously. What was that, man? We're still falling down. Okay, we just flung up, but okay. Come on. Yes, press the button. Okay, I pressed the button. Watch out, boulders are coming. Okay, seriously, this one's easy. Just go in between the boulder. Bruh, that was easy, man. That was easy peasy. Only 4 of us survived. Okay, and then we all... Quick, get in the hole of the wall. No! Quick. Yee! Oh, yeah, boy. Okay, I did it. That was honestly easy. Imagine if it just goes back and wrecks us all. Oh, run away from the tornado. I already got caught in the tornado. I literally just stood there. I literally stood there. I want you to press the ball. No. Please, please, please. No. Please, please. Oh! Ew, no! Oh, go, run. Please. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and now let's just do this one last round. And boom! Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah.